Hi everyone, I'm so glad to welcome you. Welcome back to samaartmedia. Taking big flat braids and dip into very little quantity of water. This will help in keeping a canvas moist and will help in easy blending of colors. I am using the colors for the background: titanium white, cerulean blue and ultramarine blue. I am using flat brush size 24 at the end for blending all the background colors together. Then I am adding titanium white little by little, looking a very good sky look. Next step is I am going to make a clouds in the sky. So far I am using flat brush size 12 and I am picking some quantity of titanium white. Then apply it in the left to right and most part in the curvy way from the top to bottom. The beautiful sky is ready. Let it dry couple of minutes. Next I am segregating the sky and land ratio 1/3. I am designing height of the Eiffel Tower is 18 cm. Remember the Eiffel Tower is symmetrical, so the left and right side should look the same once you are finished. Make a square with a triangle on the top of the line. First draw 2 cm square, then draw a triangle on the top of the square. Don't draw the square and triangle too big. Next, make a narrow horizontal rectangle that's about twice the width of the square. Draw 4/2 rectangle. The length of the measure between the square and rectangle is 10 cm. And draw the length of the first rectangle. The length of the measure between both the rectangle is 4 cm. Next, make curved lines from the corners of the square to the corners of the bottom rectangle. I am connecting the square and rectangle of the corners. Next, draw curved lines that are parallel to the first ones you drew, so they come from the center. Next, add upside down curve between the tower's legs to connect them. Next, girders are very important. Draw horizontal line between the parallel curves to make the girders. Here very important. Again, remember the Eiffel Tower is symmetrical, so the left and right side should look the same once you are completed. using linear brush and I am picking some black color to make outline of the building and windows. Next I am picking some white color and some black color. Prepare well the color mix. Then blend all the black outline with this color to highlight the realistic look. One side of the window I put some black color to dark shade and opposite side blend with white color to light shade. Blend little by little to the realistic look. Now the very good building effect is coming. next step is springtime scenery. So I am using two sizes of stencil brush and picking some light green and leaf green and prepare well for the color mix and apply everywhere for the greenish look. Yes, I am seeing the very good greenish looks. Next, the flower is very important. First, I am going to make the tree and flowers. So, I am going to give the base of the tree, and I am using some black color and add with little bit of crimson lake and purple for the color mix to base of the trunk and root of the tree. Next, I am picking burnt sienna with a little bit of white to realistic look for the trunk. So first I am picking crimson lake to the base of the flowers. Next, to highlight the flowers, I am picking magenta color to the second base of the flowers to the first base. The last step is I am taking some magenta color and a little bit of white color to prepare well for the color mix and give the final shade. Use your imagination to achieve the picture you want. Just keep on painting. Enjoy your painting with patience because sometimes you may not achieve it. At first you need to keep on trying. Now the beautiful painting is ready. I hope that you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. All the videos links are in the description box. Thanks for watching.